Mibalik ako kay gilingaw kani nga hikalimtan ka sa tuyo unta kadto nagun-ubon ang gugmata apan dili mahimo ikaw di ay ang langit ko ania ako mangayo pasaylo kay nibiya ako nawa kanimo magpahibalo kung gikasakit mo ang sala kong nahimo ania ako andam ulipan ang pagkulang ko ibalik ako ibalik tang atong gugma ania ako mangayo pasaylo kay nibiya ako nawa kanimo magpahibalo kung gikasakit mo ang sala kong nahimo ania ako andam ulipan ang pagkulang ko ibalik ako ibalik tang atong tugma akong ipanumpa dadun ko ikaw sa'y maya mibalik ako kay giningaw kanimo dili di ay sayo ngay kalimtan ka sa dayon tuyo kung takadto nagun-ubon ang gugmata apan dili mahimo ikaw di ay ang langit ko ania ako mibalik ako
So anyway, we have all levels. Someone wants very cheap, we can whatever their budget. So, or if they want very luxurious, we have that too. Someone will sign that what way in the rain. No swimming. There is Niagara Falls. If you scuba, you can see where it goes like the lagoon, where the water. I don't know if I can calculate it because so many other costs. But it's a multi-million peso, obviously.
Where is Virgin Beach Resort located? In what place you can find this magnificent beach resort? And what can you find in this wonderful paradise of Virgin Beach Resort? From the highly industrialized city of Mandaue, we travel to the northernmost part of Cebu province by my own vehicle, together with the crew and personnel of the city's update Mandaue Today. We passed by the towns of Consolacion, Compostela, and then to the city of Danao. From there, we traveled through the towns of Carmen, Katmon, Sugod, Tabugon, and then Bugo. Land trip towards the location of Virgin Beach Resort is not a waste of time and absolutely not boring, for the reason that in every town that we passed, we are fascinated by a lot of beautiful sceneries. From that fascinating view of the vast plantation of sugar cane in the town of Bugo, we go farther to the town of Medellin, and lastly to the northern town of Cebu, Daan Bantayan, where the Virgin Beach Resort is located. It is located in one of its barangay, Bateria. This is the way to the Virgin Beach Resort. As you can see, the view around this way implies the reason why this beach was given the name Virgin Beach Resort. This is the place we traveled. Less traveled, untouched by worldly force, thus still a virgin. After more than 3 hours of land travel, at last, we are here at the Virgin Beach Resort. Its location is away the houses in the village, more than remote from the city, fitting to its name, Virgin Beach Resort, like a newly blossomed flower which has never been touched and never been kissed. From the grand entrance of the resort, we went directly to the main cottage of that resort. Here, the owner of the resort, Mr. Ron Perry, is waiting for us. Mr. Ron Perry is an American from Bakersfield, California, who married a Filipina named Fe from this town. They had 2 kids, Inday Mandi and Dodong Ron Ron, whom this 2 yacht was named after. The moment we arrived at the Virgin Beach Resort, this biblical verse caught our attention. From this, we understand that Mr. Ron Perry is a God-loving and God-fearing person. In short, a religious man. The owner himself, Mr. Ron Perry, entertains us. It is our first time to meet him personally. Nevertheless, we feel that he is very accommodating and showed us his hospitality, which is a focal characteristic of a Filipino. So how you were able to discover this place?
I opened my eyes and there it was. No, it was after being married to Faye from Libertad, Bogo. For, I guess we've been married 4 years, 3 years. Then we came here looking for waterfront property, beachfront property. And this was, they needed the money right away, so we paid 12.5 pesos per square meter.
The Virgin Beach Resort has a center beach house, which serves as the entertainment center of the resort. You can find the bar, the videocape, a mini disco pub, collection of books, videotapes, and different pictures of the owners hang on the wall, which creates a good ambiance of the place. In front of this center beach house is the landscape showcasing the island of Cebu. This entertainment center is best for both day and night entertainment. This center beach house is not only for entertainment, it has also rooms on both sides. The well-furnished rooms decorated with splendid paintings made by the architect of the resort, Mr. Hali Martinez of Santa Cruz, Tanhay, Negros Oriental, who is now residing at Bakersfield, California. Aside from the rooms at the center beach house, there are also cottages around it, which are purposely designed for people bringing their whole family along for a vacation. This is the swimming pool of the resort that serves as the substitute when the sea is high tide or low tide, and also for those who don't want to go swimming at the beach. This swimming pool has an area for adults and all as well as for kids. It has a viaduct across which will give a magnificent view of the pool. Just a few steps from the swimming pool, we can find this climbing wall that will give you the panoramic view of the whole resort. Mage and Richelin